Hi, I am Maurani from Purva Bardhaman district, West Bengal. So today is the day 20 video of the series Speaking Practice with Me. So I hope you are doing well and practicing spoken English every single day. So today I am going to discuss about grammar is important or not for spoken English. Actually, some of you are confused. Beginner level, you learn grammar or not. So I can say from my experience, it completely depends upon you. Because if you have the environment for spoken English, like your family members are speaking English, you are going to school, English medium school, there your teacher and your friends are speaking English, or you are going to office, there your colleagues are speaking English, or whatever you have an environment there everybody speaking English, then you don't need to learn grammar. But if you don't have the environment, then you have to learn grammar first. Yeah, of course you can speak in English without learning grammar, but it is also time taking. Do you have the time? 5 years, 6 years? No, right? Mm, approximately you have 5 to 6 months or 1 year. So please learn grammar. And what grammar is needed? This is basic level grammar. Don't need to go advanced level, intermediate level, only basic level grammar. And what chapter should you read? This is tenses, modals, uh, voice change. This three is most important. And after that, you can learn narration, part of speech, other things. But you have to learn basic English. And in the basic English, tense, voice change, and modals are very important. And it will take maybe 1 month for learning English. Don't need to deep actually knowledge. You only watch a YouTube video 5 to 6 times you watch, that's enough for spoken English. You have the idea. That's it. If you learn grammar, then you can at least speak 20 to 30 sentences. It will give you confidence. And confidence change everything. So that's why grammar is important. And you have to understand what is the difference between I am drawing the picture and I have drawn the picture. You have to know the difference. I go, you go, but he goes. You have to understand the difference. If you don't understand the difference, if you don't have the idea about grammar, you can't speak in English. Because if you don't learn grammar, you can't structure sentences. You don't have the idea. But if you learn grammar, then you structure some sentences. It will give you confidence, and confidence give you boost to learn quickly. So I think your conclusion it gets clear. So that's all for today. See you in next video. Till then, tata, bye bye. Have a nice day.